Hi, I'm Mrs. Jenkins, and today I'm going to share a story with you called Red. Red by Michael Hall, a crayon story. Red, a crayon story, as told by me. So our narrator is the pencil. He was red. But he wasn't very good at it. Oh dear. His teacher thought he needed more practice. I'll draw a red strawberry, then you draw a red strawberry. You can do this, really. So if you notice, his teacher is Scarlet. It says so on her paper, and then she also looks scarlet. And he is red. It says so on his paper, but I think he's not really red. But he couldn't, really. Like this? Oh my, let's try again. His mother thought he needed to mix with other colors. Why don't you two go out and draw a nice round orange? A really big one. A really orange one. So if you know about mixing colors, yellow and red make orange. But they made a big greenish one. Yuck. Oops. So yellow and blue make green. His grandparents thought he wasn't warm enough. Your class is making self-portraits for Parents' Night. Wear this warm red scarf. Nice, it's so you. So they're trying to give him red clothes because he's red. And his grandparents are silver and gray. But it so wasn't. So it said, nice, it's so you. But red it really wasn't him. So here's the self-portraits. There's Goldie and teal, purple, red, orange, and green. And here's his parents. Oh, dear me. Everyone seemed to have something to say. Sometimes I wonder if he's really red at all. Don't be silly. It says red on his label. He came that way from the factory. Frankly, I don't think he's very bright. Well, I think he's lazy. Right. He's got to press harder. Really apply himself. Give him time. He'll catch on. Of course he will. So some of the crayons are judging him because of what he looks like. And they're not listening. And this one says, well, of course he's red. It says so on his label. So sometimes we look at people and we're like, well, of course they like this or that. Because we look at him and we make assumptions. But he didn't catch on. Green drew a green frog. Black drew a black sheep. Brown drew a brown cow. And red drew a red... Ah! All the art supplies wanted to help. The masking tape thought he was broken inside. This will help hold you together. And the scissors thought his label was too tight. One snip should do it. I thought he wasn't sharp enough. Stay still now. Sorry about that. He's putting him in the pencil sharpener. Ooh. But even with all our help and all of his hard work, Look how hard he's trying to be red. He's drawing heart after heart and cherries and foxes and painted toenails. Just can't be what he isn't. He just couldn't get the hang of it. The red stoplight is even blue. One day, he met a new friend. Will you make a blue ocean for my boat? I like to think about how Blue was feeling when this new friend saw him for what he is, what he's always been, blue. I can't, I'm red. Will you try? So he did. Thank you. It's perfect. You're welcome. It was easy. And he didn't stop there. Blue bells, blue jeans, blue bird, blue berries, blue whale. I'm blue. He was blue, and everyone was talking. My son is brilliant. Who could have known he was blue? I always said he was blue. It was obvious. His blue ocean really lifted me up. All of his work makes me happy. His blue strawberries are my favorites. He's so intense. I'm going to make a green lizard with him, a really big one. I hear he's working on a huge new project. He's really reaching for the sky. And he really was. The end. So I hope you enjoyed that story about Red, a crayon story. And remember, sometimes we make judgments about people because of what they look or what they wear. And really, sometimes we just need to listen to our friends and love them for who they say they are. Thanks.